this band Royal Regiment of Scotland. Kasama ko tino ko Foscochi. Kito sa Foscochi ko. Liu. Sa kema mi join mai jala di Highlanders. Seafold Gordon and Cameron. Na kena reunion ni ko. Kalau tolak mana South, kalau tunggu telepon Midland. Kita tolak me kita Ricky. Tolak me suka jalan. Tolak me kita Ricky. Sa kena singa ni ko kita sawa mati ngona barau. Ina vale un daga mesota.
Ngo sengke mateni rin.
Sengke kena matai ni reunion. Me daga chung. Cuma anggur tu boys orang betina kena bol.
Boys, tu dah cing. Tunggu kau di bawah ciu. Tunggu rosi.
Rendu rumah lalu.
Santi, nak.
Me urut me.
It's a very beautiful place. All those from Bonolevu can say yes. Up in May 2000, I left July 2010. I'm married to my wife. She's from elder sister of Daniel's dad. From Tonya, Thailand. Two boys, Isaac and Osea, and Rebecca. I believe that's it.
Naka.
Yeah, Naka.
Arnanra, Bolobinaka. My name is Ropate Tumbabibi. From Batukaleva, Indra. Married to my missus from Mamula, Indiana. And I got 3 boys. I was blessed to have 3 boys. Calaveti, Tevita, and Yava. Can you stand up, please? That's Calaveti, Tevita, and I joined or enlisted in the army in 2000, 21st of July in 2000. I spent 24 years in the army and finished off last year, 23rd of July 2024. I joined the Highlanders Battalion on the 22nd of February 2001. When I joined the battalion, there's few senior boys ahead of me like Dovi, Matailiki and Matarakabono, Wasu, it's all in there. And while they're away on operation tour, I have to look after Sarah's dad for 2 weeks when he comes and join me in the battalion when he's on Christmas leave. Thank you. Benny Rewalui from Level. I'm married to Caroline. She's from Laos. Got 3 kids, 2 girls and 1 boy. Now resides in Stockholm. Joined the army 2004, won Highlanders, signed off in 2012.
Naka, Sebi Bakaru, I hail from the Delta, back at home. Now I'm the older brother of Kirilame. So I enlisted in the army 23rd May 2003, and lately after that I joined the 1st Battalion, the Highlanders. Pretty much all the senior colleagues of mine are already in the battalion so far. I'm still currently serving, but not with the Force Corps after the amalgamation, but I'm with the 2nd Battalion, the Royal Regiment of Scotland, based up in Glencorse Barracks up in Edinburgh. Married, my wife was from Nandula, in Telebu. I've got 5 kids, 2 twin boys, a boy and 2 girls. I'm still serving, and a little bit longer when I'll reach the limit of exploitation, and that'll be pretty much me following the footsteps of the senior colleagues among ourselves. Napa.
Settled in Fiji. We are so lucky and fortunate that we can still see each other this afternoon. No one has left this world, and 2 things I've said to Sharon that 3 days ago. There's only 2 key things that kept us together and throughout these 24 years. It's about the pure love and goodness of the heart that my brothers ever set before you this afternoon. And secondly, the love, the true love and bond we've shared through in our career lives, and some of us have went to got married, settled in, have families and kids. So I'm married. My wife is not here. She will join us a little bit later on this afternoon. I've got 2 kids. Myself and Isaac Dad, we got married in the same family. So Isaac Dad married my sister-in-law, which is here, Auntie Grace. I've got my brother-in-law here, Ressa, then his dad, and my wife. Like I've said, she's going to join us later on this afternoon. So yes, I wanted to thank that we managed to come and organize this first meet, and hopefully this afternoon we'll sit down and discuss. We'll organize more meets like this in the future. Thank you very much.